Dihui Paper Products Co., Limited. Established in 2012. Located in Nanning, Guangxi, China. Dihui Paper is a professional manufacturer and supplier, engaged in the development, production, sale and service of paper cup fan, PE-coated paper rolls, PE-coated paper sheet, PE-coated bottom paper rolls, and lunch, fruit salad, fried chicken box paper, act. Used to make paper cups, paper balls, lunch boxes, hamburger boxes, fried chicken buckets, and other beverage food packaging. We provide the production process in one-stop service of PE-coated, printing, die cutting, slitting and cross-cutting. We can provide free samples, customized design, PE laminating, printing, cutting and other services for paper cups, paper bowls, and food packaging manufacturers, and long-term supply of high-quality food packing paper for customer. Their experienced staff are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, and are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure your complete satisfaction. With the years of experience in exporting, our products sell well in the Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia, and African countries. We are also constantly exploring new markets around the world. We welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether choosing a current product from our catalog or seeking customization for your product. You can discuss your sourcing requirements with our customer service center. Quality, integrity, innovation, win-win is our business philosophy, and our aim is to provide the best service and quality products to satisfy every customer. You are welcome to visit our company and are willing to cooperate with you.